How to create a folder? A folder is a set of files or a purse, a wallet, where all your personal belongings important according to their importance are being stored. So in a folder, when you create your own folder, it becomes your personal folder where your most important documents are kept. So you store files based on their importance by creating a special folder for them. So in order to achieve that, it's always simple. You come to start, you come to documents. Now you see new folder, you just click new folder. A new folder will appear with a highlighted new folder. For you to change the name, you could say TGF. Come, you enter key, the folder is created. You can now double click to open, store, copy. They are always normal. You can move from, you can move, let me move this. You say copy, you go back, TGF computer, you can see, you say paste, you right click, you say paste, three of them will appear. You can see now the folder have content. So it's always simple to navigate from one folder to another to store what you always wanted to. Thank you.